Hello everyone! Today I will share with you 4 elegant and trendy accessories OBI that I believe will completely change your daily look. If you are looking for an easy way to add a touch of beauty and elegance to your look, stay with me and take advantage of the 25% discount code, and all the pieces mentioned in the video are linked in the description box. The first piece I chose is the Textured Paperclip Chain Necklace. I love this type of design because it's simple yet elegant, a modern design that suits all outfits. One of the things I love about OBY Jewelry is the thoughtful details. Every piece is set with a small green nano gemstone when the design allows. This signature green stone represents OBY's commitment to sustainable luxury and adds a sentimental touch to your jewelry. It's perfect for daily looks, paired with a simple blouse or layered with other necklaces. Personally, I think it's a must-have for anyone who loves minimalist and stylish accessories. We have the TwoTone crossover ring. Honestly, this piece is my favorite from the collection because it's bold yet incredibly simple. Its two-tone design makes it a unique and standout piece. It's also super comfortable, perfect for wearing all day long without any hassle. You can pair it with other dainty rings for a stacked look, or wear it alone to really let its design shine. I think it works beautifully with both formal and casual outfits, adding a touch of sophistication to any style. This ring is such a versatile piece that you'll want to wear it every day. Whether you're dressing up or keeping it simple, it's the perfect accessory to complete your look. The third piece is the Spheres Double Chain Bracelet. I absolutely adore this bracelet because it combines simplicity and elegance so effortlessly. Its double chain design with small sphere details makes it a standout piece. It's incredibly versatile and pairs seamlessly with both casual and formal looks. I love pairing it with my watch for a more balanced and polished look. It also works beautifully on its own for a minimalist, subtle touch. This bracelet is one of those timeless pieces that elevates your outfit without overpowering it. It's perfect for adding that little extra flair to your everyday or evening wear. The second piece is these stunning Paisley Flourish Hoop Earrings. Their design is inspired by classic Paisley patterns, and I'm sure you'll fall in love with them as much as I did. They're lightweight and super comfortable, perfect for daily wear. The intricate details add a touch of luxury and elegance to any outfit. I usually pair them with an updo or a sleek ponytail to really highlight their beautiful design. They're versatile enough to complement a chic evening dress, or even a casual outfit like jeans and a crisp shirt for a stylish yet simple look. These earrings are the perfect blend of timeless elegance and modern style. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or keeping it casual, they're a must-have accessory in your collection. These were 4 of my favorite accessories from OBY. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked any of the pieces, you'll find the links in the description box with more details. Don't forget to support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more future content. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.